See, there it shifted to the better camera for up close. And now it's cool, but I really don't like it on this camera where when you're zoomed in like that, see how it flips back over? Now it's using probably one of the different cameras, and it's not quite as good. See how it's pixelated? So then you move it around just right, where you're trying to get a close-up on it, and it'll switch to the other camera. There it goes. Oh, see, back and forth. Back and forth, there we go. That's the one I want to be on when I'm looking at up close stuff. Trying to get good close-up shots. So I really don't like when it switches to the more pixelated, worse camera for up close.